That's right, you're still cleared straight in runway 08. Number 2, you're following 150 on the base. Foxtel Kilo 150 traffic's on the roll. They're going to be remaining in the circuit. Follow that and clear touch and go runway 08.
Clear for touch and go 08, Foxtel Kilo.
City Tower, Charlie Fox, Bravo Delta Tango, right hand downwind 08 for the visual.
Bravo Delta Tango Tower, wind 0606, altimeter 29er. You're number 4, you're following a PC-12 from the southwest, set 2000, your discretion below.
Set 2000 and discretion below, Bravo Delta Tango.
Indian November Tango Tower, cleared to land, runway 08, wind 060 at 6.
Indian November Tango, thank you.
Bravo Delta Tango, I'll advise your turn on to base there. X-Charlie Tango, keep the speed up, you're number 2 to 172, but 3/4 mile final.
Okay, number 2, Echo, try Tango.
Bravo Delta Tango, start reducing your speed. Number 5, I'll advise your turn on base.
Bravo Delta Tango, reducing speed, you'll call the base there.
You're from Oscar Bravo, you're cleared en route.
Cleared en route, you're from Oscar Bravo.
Golf November Juliet, number 2, you're flying PC-12, they're 3 miles slant final, circuit altitudes, advise in sight.
Looking for traffic, Golf November.
Roger, downwind call to the tower, please, with your intentions. Foxtel Kilo, turn downwind now.
Turning downwind, Foxtel Kilo.
Foxtel Kilo, thanks. I'm going to need one right-hand 360 for spacing. You're following traffic. It's joining downwind from the south. They're much faster. Foxtel Kilo, I think it was blocked. One right-hand 360 for spacing.
Say again, Foxtel Kilo.
Foxtel Kilo, right-hand 360. Do it now.
Left hand 360 is Foxtel Kilo.
Right-hand 360, Fox. Right hand.
Right hand.
Echo Charlie Tango, you're cleared to land, runway 08. Echo Charlie Tango, cleared to land, runway 08.
Clear land 0, Echo Charlie Tango.
Oscar Tango Fox, try to send 1,700.
1,700 Oscar Tango Fox. And you have the traffic inside for Golf November.
Roger. Bravo Delta Tango, turn base. Bravo Delta Tango, turn base.
Bravo Delta Tango, turn base.
Oscar Tango Foxtrot, there's traffic, 1.5 miles to the south of you, turning downwind at Cessna 150 at circuit altitude. Do you have them in sight?
Affirmative for Oscar Tango Fox.
Oscar Tango Foxtrot, you're going to be following them on an extended downwind.
Okay, we'll follow the traffic, extended downwind, Oscar Tango Fox.
Foxtel Kilo, you're number 4, you're following PC-12, there's 3 southwest of you, turning right base 1,300, advise in sight.
Number 4, PC-12 is in sight, Foxtrot Hotel Kilo.
X-Charlie Tango, taxiing by Charlie, monitor 21-7, I need to call ground.
Okay, taxi, monitor ground, Echo Charlie, thanks so much.